creative family, welcome back. My name is Simi and I would like to wish you all a very happy Diwali in advance. In advance because the Diwali preparations, plannings and shoppings have already started. And in my previous videos I already shared few Diwali decor ideas with you all. So in today's video I'll be sharing another very quick and easy Diwali decor idea as to how you can decorate the corner space of your house, any corner table of your house, and make your room look very Diwali ready and festive ready. So let's see how we can do that. So yeah, let's begin.
Now I'm having a very simple corner glass table and I'll be using this corner to give a Diwali festive look. It's a 3-layer table and I'll be decorating each layer one by one. So on the bottom shelf I'll be placing a tray with 4 balls that are filled with colorful rice, and in the middle of it I'll be placing a glass that is filled with fresh flowers and a tea light candle placed over it. Then on the second shelf I would be placing a big glass ball that is filled with water and few fresh flowers along with few tea light candles. Now water really creates a very peaceful ambience. So now then on the top shelf I would be placing these Rajasthani musicians. You can use any showpiece instead of it like Buddha or Ganesh. They will also create the same impact. And then in front of it, let's again place some fresh rose petals and a tea light candle, of course. So I have used a copper puja thali for this. You can use any quarter plate over here instead of that. And few fairy lights, just simply spread it behind the table and it really creates a very magical impact. The freshness of flowers, fragrance and lightings make my dull corner festive ready, and this idea will definitely sparkle your entire room. So it's very easy to do and I haven't used any fancy things over here. Simply balls, flowers, rice, diya. These things I have used which you can easily find at your home. So try lighting all these tea light candles and the fairy lights and switch off the main light of your room and just see the ambience. The feeling and the look is amazing. Just try it out once and I'm sure you'll love it. So do let me know in the comment section below if you try this idea, and it's really very simple and easy to do, right? So let's sparkle our corners this Diwali, and I really hope that you find this video and this idea helpful. So my creative family, do try this out and make sure you have subscribed to my channel for more such videos. So keep smiling, keep decorating. I'll see you again very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.